System
of nonlinear equations! Hello! Today, we're going to tackle about systems of nonlinear equations. Let's get started! What are systems of nonlinear equation? A system of nonlinear equation is a system in which one of the equation is nonlinear. To solve for systems of nonlinear equations, we use the substitution and elimination method. The solution for systems of nonlinear equations is an ordered pair in which it corresponds to the points of intersection when the system of nonlinear equation is graphed. Now here's an example of a word problem involving systems of nonlinear equations. This room's pretty big, huh? I wonder what the dimensions are for this room. I know. Maybe I can ask the school architect. Good idea. I'll go. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Are you the school architect?
Yes, I am.
How can I help? I want to know the dimensions of this room.
Well, the area of a standard classroom is 27 square meters and the perimeter is 21 meters.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Your help is very much helpful for us.
You're welcome.
I wonder how I can solve the length and the width of that room using the area and the perimeter. Oh, I know! Maybe I can use the systems of nonlinear equations. Say that a classroom has an area of 27 square meters and a perimeter of 21 meters. I want to know the length and the width of the room. Using the given, find the dimensions of the room.
Before we proceed on solving for the dimensions of the classroom, it is important for us to determine the given measurements and the required answers. So for the given, the area was 27 square meters while the perimeter is 21 meters based from the word problem. While it aims to find for the length of the classroom and its width. Now, it is a time for us to find for the equation of the rectangle. Since the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus 2 width, while the area of a rectangle is length times width, we can substitute the length as the variable x, while its width as the variable y. Thus, we can represent the equation 2x plus 2y is equal to 21. Why 21? Because it is the perimeter of the rectangle as what it was stated earlier, while xy is equal to 27 as it is the area of the rectangle. If we can see that this is a system of nonlinear equation because the first equation is a linear equation while the other one is not.
We have the nonlinear equation to solve the said classroom. We can now use the substitution method to solve the equation. We use this method because it is the optimal method to use in this problem. Now let's solve x using equation 1. Now we have the value of x, let's substitute x in equation 2. Now we have a quadratic equation we can now solve using factoring. Now we have the values of y sub 1 and y sub 2. Let us now substitute them to equation 1 to obtain x. Now we have solved the value of x and y, so we can now determine the ordered pairs. Now this is the length and the width of the classroom. The length is 6 meters and the width is 4.5 meters. To check, let us now substitute what the length and the width are to the first equation to see if it's really true. Now after checking, we can see that the equations of the length and the width satisfies the both equations there in the first place. With this, we can see that the length and the width of the classroom is true and correct. And that ends our video presentation on systems of nonlinear equations.
I'm Francis Marcaico.
I'm Mervin Sares. I am Gion Aranas.
I am Mervin Sumagi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.